school is pretty affected by this global warming.
Yeah.
Sir, how do you say so, sir?
In a lot of ways na our school is being affected. If you look around, maybe even while you're inside the classroom, you feel the heat na students are being affected because of the temperature. Of course, when it is hot, they don't feel comfortable. What else? When they go outside, even at 9 o'clock in the morning, 9, 10 o'clock, you can really feel the heat. Unlike 2-3 decades ago, if it's 9 o'clock, you can still tolerate the heat coming from the sun. I mean, the temperature is still okay, but now, as if 9 o'clock, as if it's the middle of the day. You're in the middle of the day. So these are the results of global warming. Yes, global warming.
Sir, sir, does our school contributes to this global warming, sir? And what are these?
In a way, because our students and employees also use their vehicles. Remember, global warming. There are a lot of reasons why we experience this. Because of smoke filters, the smoke coming out from the vehicles.
Which emits gas in different.
Yeah, exactly. There are also those. Though we are teaching this in our school, that we have to refrain from burning. It's a common knowledge that there are still those who burn their garbage while they are in their respective homes. So the school I think is contributory to this directly and indirectly. Before I came here, I also observed janitors, students who are burning garbage at the athletic field, at the garbage area. But now, it's definitely no to burning in Masur National High School.
Yes. Sir, what other programs and projects you want to implement concerning to this global warming?
We have already started, less than 3 years ago. Two years back. We also encourage our students, even teachers, to plant vegetables and ornamental plants to protect our soil. Of course, I mentioned earlier, our school has a no burning policy. What else? We have also to check our vehicles, especially students and employees who have vehicles. Smoke filters must be checked. If possible, they should not be allowed to enter our school. What was your question?
Sir, how can you convince the students and the officials in here, sir, to cooperate in your programs?
We discussed with them the advantages of our programs, what benefits we could derive from these programs, and they should also they should be made aware of what is happening in our environment in tungkol sa global warming. Yes, hindi lang kasi tayo apektado nito. Tayo lahat. Pati ngayong mga alaga natin, apektado rin. Tingnan nyo, yung mga baboy, di ba? May inaatake na rin. Yung sinasabi na, heat stroke. Hindi lang sa tao yun. Pati sa mga lower forms of animals. Nagkakaroon ng sila rin, nakakaranas ng ganito. So, ito, para supportan nila, we have to discuss with them. We have to do something to solve, or we at least minimize the effects, the harmful effects of global warming. Saka, pag tinignan natin, lalo na sa Bigan, maraming proyekto, maraming programa yung city government. to reduce the effects na of global warming. Ang dami talaga. And then, kahapon nga lang, nandiyan yung solid waste management. Diba? Were you with the student leaders or with the solid waste management? O, nandito si Maria. Na alam ko, marami kayong napag-usapan, na? Para ayusin yung basura, para matulungan rin yung para ma-save din yung earth, di ba?
Yes,
to
sir.
save Mother Earth, di ba? So, marami kayong natutunan. So, yan. We have to discuss with them. At saka, we have to show that we are sincere with what we are saying. We have to act based on what we say. Na? Sabihin mo, okay, do not burn. Na, plant trees. Hindi ka naman nila nakikita na pag may mga bata, binubunot yung oy, huwag mong bunutin yan kasi makakatulong yan. Mga ganun. Okay, we encourage students to plant trees, vegetables, okay? You have to egg them on, ha?
Serve as the model for
Yes, kailangan. We have to walk our talk. Ganun sabi nila, you have to put your words into actions. Ganun. As a model. Kagaya ng ginagawa natin. Ha? Wala na yung mga punong kahoy, madali nang mag-evaporate yung tubig. Di ba? Do you agree with me?
Yes,
Kasi
sir.
wala nang magproprotect sa kanila eh. Yung evaporation, magiging rapid na yan. Magiging barren na yung lupa. Direkta na yung heat papunta sa soil pag wala ng punong kahoy, wala ng mga halaman, di ba? Lalo halimbawa yung kamote, yung kangkong, yung mga nag-procrawl na vegetables. Alam niyo, napakalaking tulong to sa lupa. Kasi nag-procrawl sila kino-cover nila yung lupa. Yun only now, pero yun ang totoo. Napag-aralan ko sa agriculture. Yes. Yan. So yan. Global warming.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Just in case na you need other info, you need other infos about global warming, feel free to see me para naman makapag-chika-chika tara na, exchange ideas, views and opinions about concerns relative to global warming, kung ano na yung ginagawa ng school sa global warming.